Horas, good morning everyone from Balige Academy, Toba Lakeside, the beautiful lake in Indonesia. I've sent my email to ABC News, ABC Australian Broadcasting Corporation. And this is my email to them. This is the proof. My email titled Urgent, Alleged Manipulation of CCTV footage in Jessica Kumala Wongso case. Dear ABC News Australia, I'm writing to bring light a matter of significant concern regarding the suspected tampering of CCTV footage in the legal proceedings involving Jessica Kumala Wongso at Café Olivier. As an expert in digital forensics, I uncovered compelling evidence suggesting substantial manipulation of the CCTV video evidence, which was pivotal in court and referenced by various forensic specialists. The alleged tampering of CCTV footage in Jessica Kumala Wongso's case had grave forensic implications, casting doubt on the veracity of the evidence and complicating the investigative process in several critical ways. The downscaling in this context was intentionally carried out to reduce the visual quality of the CCTV footage. This was done with the purpose of concealing or obscuring certain details in the recording that could have been significant in the investigation or legal proceedings. For example, in the case mentioned above, the reduction in resolution from 1920 by 1080 pixels to 960 by 576 pixels might have been deliberately carried out to eliminate specific details that could have revealed the truth or aided in identifying perpetrators. Similarly, the decrease in frame rate from 25 frame per second to 10 frame per second could have been intended to make the motion in the video appear blurrier or less clear, making it difficult for examiners to discern details or events accurately. In other words, the intention behind the downscaling in this case was to hide crucial information or hinder forensic analysis of the CCTV footage, which could have had serious implications for the success of the investigation and legal process. Additionally, the conversion of the original three-channel color video into a single channel grayscale video suggested an attempt to conceal vital information pertinent to the case. This alteration stripped away color data, including distinctive features of objects and individuals, as well as potential physiological indicators, such as changes in skin tone. Such actions significantly hinder the ability of forensic experts to conduct thorough analysis and draw reliable conclusions about the events depicted in the footage. Furthermore, this conversion had a significant impact on the analysis of the coffee's color before and after being consumed by Mirna Salihin. The absence of color data in the grayscale video made it challenging for forensic analysts to accurately compare the hue, saturation, and brightness of the coffee in its original state with the coffee after it was purportedly poisoned. This hindered efforts to determine if any changes occurred in the coffee due to potential tampering or contamination, further complicating the forensic investigation and undermining the pursuit of justice. The suspected tampering of CCTV footage may have compromised the integrity of digital evidence used across various forensic disciplines. This potentially impacted the reliability of assessments made by forensic physiologists who relied on visual cues and behavioral indicators to comprehend human behavior and motivations. Similarly, forensic pathologists and toxicologists relied on visual evidence to evaluate the physical condition of victims and identify signs of poisoning or trauma. If the footage had indeed been manipulated, particularly in obscuring physiological indicators exhibited by individuals such as Mirna Salihin, it could have substantially impeded the ability of these experts to accurately ascertain the cause and manner of death, thereby hindering the forensic investigation and potentially derailing the pursuit of justice. Moreover, the dependence on potentially tampered CCTV footage by both the prosecution and defense exacerbated the forensic implications of the suspected manipulation, undermining the integrity of the legal process and potentially resulting in miscarriages of justice. Of particular concern was the conspicuous silence of the Indonesian government regarding this matter, intensifying the unease surrounding the situation. Equally troubling was the suspected involvement of two police officers, Krishna Murthy and Muhammad Nur Al-Azhar, who allegedly collaborated with a civilian digital forensics expert named Christopher Harimandrianto in the manipulation of the CCTV footage. As an expert witness who testified in Jessica Kumala Wongso's trial at the request of defense attorney Otto Hasibuan in 2016, I felt compelled to draw attention to these potential issues. The fact that Jessica Kumala Wongso is a permanent resident of Australia underscored the international aspect of this case and highlighted the importance of global cooperation in addressing legal and forensic matters. In conclusion, I urge ABC News Australia to conduct a thorough investigation into this matter and take appropriate measures to address any potential misconduct related to the suspected manipulation of CCTV footage. Thank you for your attention to this urgent matter. Please feel free to reach out if you require further information or assistance. Sincerely, Rismon Hasilan Senipar, Balige, North Sumatra, Indonesia. Thank you very much.